Using Xero accounting software efficiently involves understanding its key features and how to navigate its interface. Here's a concise guide. Sign up and log in. Go to the Xero website and sign up for an account. Log in using your credentials to access the Xero dashboard. Set up your organization. Enter your organization's details such as name, address, and financial year start date. Add your bank accounts for reconciliation. Dashboard overview. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your financials, including bank balances, invoices, bills, and cash flow. Customize the dashboard to highlight the most relevant information. Invoicing. Create invoices by going to the business menu and selecting invoices. Enter customer details, invoice date, and items or services sold. Send invoices directly to clients via email. Expense tracking. Record expenses by selecting business and then bills to pay. Enter supplier details, bill date, and amount. Bank reconciliation. Go to the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Match your bank statement lines with transactions in Xero to ensure your records are accurate. Reports. Access financial reports by selecting accounting and then reports. Generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax reports. Payroll. Set up payroll by going to the payroll menu. Enter employee details, pay rates, and tax information. Process payroll and file taxes electronically. Inventory management. Track inventory levels by entering products and services in the business menu under Products and Services. Monitor stock levels and manage reorders. Connect apps. Integrate Xero with other business applications like payment gateways, CRM systems, and e-commerce platforms for enhanced functionality.